guys? I'm Cal Gamer here. We got 16 cars to race. The rules are here. 2 cars will race in the circuits. In this race, who will win the finals and get to the next round and be our finalists. Let's set the contestants. Tunnel Jenny versus Duck and Roll. Go! Jenny lost. Tunnel Jenny lost. Duck and Roll went far. What good job. But Duck and Roll. Now we got Head Gasket. That's this last drive. Go. Looks like Head Gasket won. Without Flash Drive help. Sorry, Flash Drive. You cannot hit more rounds. No fair try. Fair. Now we got Night Shifter versus Moltosaurus. Go! Looks like Moltosaurus has a good chance. Out Night Shifter. Now I got Nerf Hammer versus Rod the Dodger. Our famous Rod the Dodger. Go! Nerf Hammer 1 was a good start.
Go! Spider!
Quiet. Now we got Bedlam versus Shark Cruiser. Go close call. Bedlam. Aurora 2 versus Last Fish. You wanna win? Aurora is super back a red truck. You can win. Now we got Grippy Action 4 with a Bone Shaker. Alright. Flip on circle 1 up. Motor Racer versus Hot Wheels Foot Speeder. Go! Alright, that's good now. Motor Racer 1. Now here are the next finals. Go into the next. Head Gasket versus Duck and Roll. No touching! I'm gonna... Now we got Moltosaurus versus Red Hammer. Oh, so yesterday Moltosaurus won. I'm busy, sorry. Wait for the video ends, okay? Wait for the video ends. Now I got Bedlam versus Aurora 2. Aurora 2 is the Super Rain Monster. He's won. Now I got Triple Extra for versus Motor Racer. Go. Oh, he's slow, but Motor Racer beat it. Now here's our finals. Semi-finals. Who will get to the finals? Moltosaurus. This is Head Gasket. Head gasket 1. You'll get a through. Aurora 2 versus Motor Racer. But Motor Racer won. It's so good. So this is it. Our finals between Head Gasket versus Motor Racer. Who will win into the champion all? Well, we know the Motor Racer won. But the winner is Motor Racer. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.